very well. We together were in one of those executive committees. Before he joined, I left the Officers Association Executive Committee. We were together for 1 year in the same committee. Of course, he quickly took a lot of interest and rose to the higher levels of the Officers Association. Played a very important role in taking care of the interests of officers. One thing I always liked him is, it is always whichever side I was in as a management or whatever it is easy to talk to him because he always spoke with a sense of reason, sense of logic. வாதங்கள் இருக்கும், விவாதங்கள் இருக்கும், நிச்சயமாக விதண்டாவாதம் இருக்காது. So it is always easier to deal, and it's always a pleasure to talk to people who reason out. And that way, I think we had always had a very cordial relationship because together our interest is the welfare of the employees by ensuring the welfare of the company. Because if the company is not sound, the employees cannot obviously expect to be sound. So that, I think, was a very, very pleasant experience. So I thank you for all what he did, and I wish him and his family all the best. I would certainly expect him to be active in the field of insurance, because insurance industry today lacks talent. When I say the industry, the brokers, there are so many other associates. The industry needs a lot of domain experts. So no person who has experience in insurance should waste his talent by not being associated with the industry in some form or other. I hope he will continue to be associated with the industry. And whatever he is, he will continue to assist New India. Wish him all the best.
Sir, thank you for an emphatic speech which beautifully embraces the adorable quality of our captain.
A small intrusion from the agenda. Since this leader, All India leader, wants to go early, I now request Shri J. Jayamurthy, President of the All India SCST Employees Parishad, to honor Shri T.S. Paroli. Please, sir. The agenda will continue after this.
Thank you, sir. And now comes an event to commemorate the contributions made by Shri T.S. Paruli, and NIAOA is happy to announce the unveiling of postage stamp in the honor of Mr. T.S. Paruli. To us, this stamp is a fitting testament to Shri Paruli's innumerable contributions to NIAOA, a proud leader who is passionate about contributing to the welfare of officers of insurance industry, a radical thinker whose views and ideas are as relevant as ever, and at the same time who endorsed and practiced responsible corporate citizenship. I request our CMD, Shri G. Srinivasan, to release the postage stamp in the honor of our captain, Shri T.S. Paruli. Now I request our Deputy General Manager of Chennai Regional Office, Mr. K. Ravishankar, to address the event.
very happy to see smiles in all of you. Respected Sri G. Srinivasan sir and members of NIAOA and all brothers of Officers Association, respected Madam Mrs. Paroli, respected Mr. T.S. Paroli, ladies and gentlemen, Vanakkam. Good evening to all of you. My relation with Paroli is almost 2 decades. Mr. Ram Mohan Reddy is here. He is like ambassador to Paroli. Through him, I come to know of his leadership qualities, achievements. In those days, South India means only Mr. Paroli. There is no other leader name held in Bombay. And incidentally, I was there in almost 10 years in Bombay. So Mr. Paroli's name is very familiar to me in Bombay as well as in Coimbatore due to Mr. Ram Mohan Reddy. If you see Paroli's face, you don't believe that he is retiring tomorrow. That is a great quality of the excellence in maintaining health and stamina. I always feel proud of my association with Paroli. During last 2 years, it has been a wonderful experience. Particularly, I find a very interesting incident. When general manager was traveling with us from Pondicherry to Chennai, he asked 2 days back, some GIPSA meeting is there, you find out from Paroli, he must be knowing what is the latest non-core benefits. That answer I was not knowing. So immediately I called and then connected GM to Mr. Paroli, and GM was very satisfied. So wherever knowledge is there, people will come to you. I always found him as a champion for a cause. He took up one case in one DO, name I have forgotten. She is an assistant or senior assistant cadre. Strictly speaking, Mr. Paroli has nothing to do with her role. But he mentioned in a very casual conversations why that lady should undergo unnecessary mental agony because of some unfortunate minor penalty charge sheet. So that went and registered in my mind. Next regional in charges conference, I rather cornered, took CVO to some side and I explained. Then CVO readily agreed, subject to some conditions, rather impediments. Then again we have sent our representation asking her to drop that minor penalty, and then it is with head office. So I always thanked Paroli for standing up a cause, which is a very noble nature indeed. So we could succeed in that issuance of that minor penalty charge, which would have unnecessarily created a lot of mental agony to that employee. Again in a lighter way, we always call Paroli DO. It is not Macmillan DO. Again, today Mr. Devanathan, Rajakumar and myself, we were to reach one client's place at 2 o'clock sharp because CMD is coming there for meeting our valued client. So I said, let us go to Paroli Hotel. There is one Krishna Vilas or Venkata Vilas, which is well known for South Indian delicacies. So I asked Francis, my George, you take us to Paroli's Hotel. So even Dr. Venkataya is here. He also called it as Paroli's Hotel. So whatever he describes, that goes and registered in our mind as he is like ambassador for that brand. That is a greatness. One very interesting case I would like to share with you. One claimant in his DO, 10 crores claim, and he exaggerated. That claim deserves repudiation. There is such a gross exaggeration, it is at 10 crores. So he took a very firm principled stand that it should be repudiated. So we contacted the surveyor and told him within 15 days you must submit your report. He took 4 weeks, 1 month. Finally, the surveyor is good. He collected all the relevant evidence. We repudiated the claim. Then I wanted to thank Paroli, and then I felt in my heart, if every notorious client or that kind of litigation type of client comes through Paroli DO, how nice would have been. Like our Chennai region would be like Swachha Bharat. Chennai, New India, Swachha Bharat. Any claim coming to any case he takes up, it is absolutely clean and clear. You can blindly go ahead. I can say with pride, he's a DO, he built up such a strong team. One lady has been promoted as scale 4, and of course very reluctantly we allowed her to go to neighboring region to serve in that on promotion. Again, another lady he pointed out, she is very committed to the core. Again, that went in my mind. Then at an appropriate time, she got a division manager posting. So I admire him, the way he built up the quality of the team. It is always, he gave a foundation. He created a foundation for New India. In High Court or Supreme Court, you would have come across some counsels, senior counsels. Many of you would have heard of them, because if senior counsel talks anything, the judges, who are the decision-making authorities in the court, they will listen not only with rapt attention, but also follow, try to take their views and suggestions and implement also. So whenever Mr. Paroli talks to me, I somehow remember some senior counsel is talking to me, because it has to be done, that's all. Though he is not very particular, and he never reminded also. One more admirable thing I have seen, in Chennai, as a national leader, he may have discussed some of issues with the corporate level management, but Chennai level, not a single issue he discussed with us. Again, when I always see as a regional in charge, I believe in unity. A particular DO is suitable for an officer or not, we, at the back of our mind, we always judge. Because if the DO is suitable to temperament of particular officer, that officer will be a success. In that context, I asked Paroli as a very casual conversation. Then he said, okay, there's no problem. Then we find that division was doing extremely well. No frictions and confrontations. Because among New Indians, we have a high target of 1017 crores. We cannot afford any kind of internal frictions or confrontations among New Indians. We have a target to achieve. Again, coming to Paroli division, Paroli DO, it is not Macmillan Bhavan. Next 1 year, I am going to remember as Paroli DO only, because I can say with pride, India Cements is one of the most valued clients of Chennai region. Hindu is last 3 decades with us, again most valued client of Chennai region. These 3 valued clients, Mr. Paroli nurtured, admirably handled them. So much so, when India Cements called me and asked whom you are going to post next, how you are going to manage this division. Then I offered, because if my reply is not convincing, you would have called our beloved CMD, and it would have been extremely embarrassing to me. So I explained him, sir, I am at your disposal, along with whoever you feel you are comfortable. So I have reserved Mr. Paroli's help and assistance even after his superannuation. So friends, a great leader is not only as a leader, I respect him in implementation of TMP, not a single word of resistance or objection has come from him. He accepted, he in fact recommended, advocated TMP policy for the betterment of the officers concerned, for the better exposure and their advancement. So I wish Mr. Paroli a very happy, healthy and active life after superannuation for New India. For a New India leaders, active leaders for like Mr. Paroli, there is nothing called retirement. I am very confident at least next 10 years he will lead a very active life. Incidentally, we are losing, rather our beloved CMD rightly made an observation, 2 pillars of Chennai region. One is Mr. Paroli and another Mr. Devanathan. He has also, he rendered a very remarkable, meritorious service to Chennai region. I only sincerely feel if Mr. Paroli and Devanathan continued at least this financial year, we would have definitely completed a target of 1017 crores in this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your lively speech. You have connected the audience so well, and at the same time, you have brought out the incomparable qualities of Mr. Paroli, manifesting his tallest stature. You have brought the, as a boss and a leader, you have brought the incomparable qualities of our captain, and I think all the audience now relished our DGM speech so well. And now it's a beautiful moment now. While NAOA was gearing up to give a fitting farewell to our beloved leader, and there comes the idea of releasing a souvenir in remembrance of Mr. T.S. Paroli. And from that moment, messages from VIPs and all our employees and colleagues started pouring in to take the place of the souvenir. And by releasing this souvenir, NAOA takes the opportunity to show our respect, love and affection to an adorable leader who has brought immense respect and credibility to our insurance industry. May I now request our CMD, Mr. G. Srinivasan, to release the souvenir, and I request Father of Confed, Mr. J. Cyril, to receive the same. Mr. Sivasankaran, President of NAOA, to hand over the bouquet to Father of Confed, Mr. J. Cyril.
Thank you, sir, for releasing this wonderful souvenir. Actually, this souvenir related work began last year itself when we planned to release a souvenir coinciding with the superannuation of our great leader, Shri T.S. Paroli, and it culminated today in the release. And we have received wonderful messages from many top executives of the industry and top leaders of the various organizations. They are all available in the souvenir. But I would like to read one important message which is available in the souvenir for the general audience. Shri A.K. Singhal, Chief Executive of GIPSA, he had, I think they have, Mr. Paroli and Shri Singhal